Welcome back, guys. Another video upgrade is JavaScript. So we will proceed there to learn more and more about how to execute methods inside the console. We open our console like this. Okay. Now, if you want, we will use the console.type. Let's add an example to see how to make console log inside a console type. Okay. For example, the title will be loop type. Okay, we will use the for loop like this. Okay, for let I equal 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. Okay, we console, for example, if you want how many time the it increment. Okay, console.log. For example, you can write a message here, the number of iteration if you want. Okay, number, for example, and iteration. Okay. Now we will console dot time. We should make the time and loop or console dot and time. Okay, we will see together how it works. Okay, we are testing all methods live together, and we discover this together also. Okay, congratulations. When I press enter, we show together the result there. Okay, we have to loop 10 times. It start by 0 and it end by 9. Okay, it's a simple example to know more and more about how to use console.time, console.time end. Okay, if you want to clear all the console, we use console.clear as it like a method. Okay, press enter. Congratulations, the console was cleared successfully. Okay, now if you want, you can make another example. We will use now, if you want, I'm thinking, okay, we'll use the for loop like this, like the previous example, that I equal to 0, I now plus 2, 3, I plus plus to increment. Okay, and then inside the curly brackets, we will make the console dot counter or dot count. Okay, to count how many time it increment. Okay, loop executed how many time, like so. Okay, if you want, okay, like this. Okay, congratulations. Now if press enter, we have the result there. Loop executed 3 times. Okay, good job. Okay, we are discovering the console.count. Count how many time the I is executed on the for loop. Okay, now if you want, you can make we will discover together how to use the console.dir. Okay, we declare a const object like so, name equal to Rami. Okay, also place equal to Tunisia if you want, like this. Okay, and then country if we want, or location equals to Monastir. Okay, it's just an example. Okay, now if you want, you can use the console.dir like this, and we should pass the object inside the brackets, or you can pass it as the message. Sorry, as here. Okay, we have an error. Okay. Oh, sorry. In place of console object, we should use the const object to declare. Okay. I already make the correction there. Const object, and we pass object inside. Okay, congratulations, we have this object. Okay, the console.dir display an interactive tree. This tree show all the content of the object. Okay, hope that you love this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and I will see you next video.